If you want to unprivate your X, formerly Twitter, account, this video will walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. This is a quick but important change because once your account goes public again, your post can be seen by anyone, searched on X, and shared more easily. So before you switch it off, make sure you're comfortable with that change. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside X, look at the left-hand sidebar and click More, which is the three dots icon. This opens the full menu with additional account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the main account controls, including privacy settings, audience controls, and safety options. Now, inside the settings menu, click Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll see several options related to how your account behaves, who can interact with you, and what your audience can see. Next, on the right-hand side, click Audience, Tagging, and Downloads. This is the section that controls whether your posts are private or public. Here, look for the option that says Protect your posts. If your account is currently private, this checkbox will be turned on. To unprivate your X account, simply click the checkbox to turn it off. As soon as you do that, your changes are saved automatically. You do not need to press a separate save button. Once the setting is disabled, the padlock icon will disappear from your profile, which is the sign that your account is now public. At that point, anyone can view your profile and post. Depending on your other account settings, there are a few important things to know after making this change. First, any follower requests that were still pending while your account was private will disappear. Those people will need to follow you again if they want access to your content. Second, your previous tweets, including the ones you posted while your account was private, can become visible to the public and searchable on X. And third, other users will now be able to retweet, quote tweet, and share your posts. So if you were only making your account public temporarily, it's a good idea to double check your profile, your past posts, and your audience settings before leaving it on public. That way, you know exactly what other users will be able to see, and that's it. You've now learned how to unprivate your X account step by step. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.